How you doing? How's it going?
I'm good. How you?
Oh, I'm blessed. Yeah, I'm blessed.
You told me that you just had a surprise party, huh?
Yeah. Oh man, we had a ball. We had, yeah, they.
I'm living vicariously.
I could dig it. Yeah, we call it the black royalty. That was the theme of it, black royalty.
Okay.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun, man. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'm glad, man. Hey, I had to meet with your lawyers, you know?
Yeah. Before you go there, I wanna commend. You know, the day has been a beautiful day, right? And something real special has taken place. You know, that step down thing that Trump has put in effect seemed to be real. You know, your oldest son is on his way in, from my understanding.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Yeah. Unbelievable, right?
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, I was scared about that, you know?
Yeah.
I was scared about that, you know, because he come in last and they put all kind of twists and turns on him, you know?
Right.
But no, wait,
Yeah. The Lord work in mysterious ways.
man, you just made my day.
Yeah. I thought you would like that, so I said I better start it off with this before anything go wrong, you know?
You know, I tried to, I called and it didn't go through. And I called again.
Yeah. Yeah, I was coming up in that elevator.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what I did? I hung up and then I called Wendy and I said, fuck this shit. I hung it up again and called one more time.
You know what? I'm glad you done that because that's what I done. I hung up. I mean, after I didn't get it, I had her on the other line when you was calling. And I said, hold on, this him. Oh man, great minds work alike. Yeah, I already know. Yeah, I done the same thing.
I'm right now working on getting this paper straight about this marriage thing.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, she been really looking forward to that. So.
She got it coming. I don't care how loud and dirty I am. She got that coming.